Hi everyone. Right, it's that time of the month. I'm going through the big box or big tub that I have. That's all the oddments, like the cut-offs and things like that. So I'm going to be doing a mixture of the more than an inch kit again. And what's involved in that is it's more than an inch. So that was the end of a roll. See that? So that's gone in the pot. That was the end of a roll. That's gone in the pot. And we're just getting a load of different laces and trims, and they're be on sale. They're great for card makers when you want that little bit of something to put somewhere, but they'll be on sale, and they're called the more than an inch kit. Okay, so grab them while you can, and when they're gone, they're gone. That's it. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.